GOOLOO sent this jump starter and tire inflator that's completely wireless for our review, and I'm excited to show it to you. Actually, I'm excited to see it for myself because it's going to be a first impression and also a test. You'll see that in the B-roll where I'm actually trying to inflate a truck tire. So, oh, look at this. I love when they do this. You've got a proper bag. Very, very nice. So, nice Velcro. All right, look at all this stuff. I love this stuff. This is going to be cool. So this is also, ooh, big screen, nice buttons. It's also got a light. That's 400 lumens. So if you're on the side of the road, turn on that light, make sure that you're visible. Very, very cool, very important. And it's got USB-A and USB-C. What does that mean? It also can double as a power bank, which is a really nice thing. So every vehicle should have this in their glove compartment as an emergency kind of a device, right? It is really cool because it's able to do, and you can see it right here, 2,500 ampere battery. So that means it is able to do 8-liter gas engine cars and 6-liter diesel engine cars or trucks, which is good. For us, in our case, we have both. We have a 4-liter gasoline car and we have a 6-liter diesel car or truck, for that matter. So we're going to try the tire inflator in just a second as well. And speaking of tire inflator, it is able to go all the way to 150 PSI, which is great. That means you can get a tire, any type of tire, from 25 to 35 in under a minute, which is unheard of because I've tried other ones. And usually it's 3-4 minutes of complete inflation, which takes a long time. And let's go back and talk about the jump starter because on a full battery, this thing can jump start your vehicle 45 times. That's insane. Super cool. Okay, now let's see what else is in here. Of course, you've got what you need to jump start, and this is what you need to inflate your tires. And we have a USB-A to USB-C, of course, to power this puppy, to charge it back up. And you've got some little accessories for the inflation. So if you've got different types of things you need to inflate, maybe it's a ball, maybe it's a pool toy, what have you, you're able to do that as well. So let's see if there's even if there's battery here already. So yes, there is. We're about 3/4. Tells me exactly the PSI. Let's try the light. There you go. Beautiful. And I've got a little blinky light. Oh, and even emergency as well. So yes, as expected. The cool thing here is you do have, of course it's at 0 PSI right now, but you do have car, and I'm sure I can cycle. That was loud. I'm sure I can cycle this way. So I've got bicycle, sports ball, and then all three, and then I can manually decide if I want to go up to, let's say, yeah, if I hold it, I'll be able to go all the way up to the desired PSI that I want. And then when I'm ready, this is where you connect. So this is where I would basically connect it right here. Look at this. So cool and so easy. There you go. And then really nice threaded, very, very nice, very durable looking wire hose. And then, of course, connect this to your car's tire that needs to get inflated, and you're good to go. The nice thing about this is that you press it, and then you can forget about it. You can just wait on the side of the road and wait until your tire is done, which won't take long, by the way. So the other thing is this, and this is what's important here. This has got a little car here. This is where you connect this puppy. And this little thing will connect this way. And I am good to go. Negative, positive, get ready. And then and that's the other thing, as soon as I connect it to a battery, it will change itself and I'll be able to cycle through, because right now it's literally just doing the inflation because it's not connected to a battery. But as soon as I connect it to an actual battery, it will tell me it's good to go. And then it'll tell me I can start the car. So literally nothing else to do. It will get the juice from this power bank, and then I can start the car up to 45 times on 100% battery. So, and as you can see in the video, the actual thing is able to inflate big tires. We're talking bigger tires than normal little vehicles on the truck that we have. We have some pretty hefty tires, and this is doing a fantastic job of it, as you can tell. But yeah, love the form factor. Love the fact that it's got two things. It's not just an inflator, but it's also a battery booster, which I think is a great thing to have, a kind of a 2-in-1. And the fact that it's actually a 3-in-1 because it can also charge your devices. Yeah, GOOLOO, really nice package. Very nice little carrying package as well. Love this thing.